Good morning, guys. I'm Grant Gould, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, 1800 Barksdale Boulevard, Bossier City, Louisiana. Today, I'm bringing the 29G Momentum by the one and only Grand Design. Y'all, there's 3 recliners in here. Look at this beautiful kitchen, 3-top burner with the oven you can actually do some cooking in. It does have the residential style microwave you can fit a dinner plate in. The gas electric fridge is always a wonderful feature that the customers love while camping. Flat screen TV, it is a Roku TV, so it's a smart TV. You can have your Netflix, Hulu, all that good stuff with the Rockford Fosgate sound system. It's got surround sound indoors and out. Look at this bathroom. Stand-up shower with the real porcelain toilet, tons of room on the sink to brush your teeth and shave with no issues at all. Even in the master, you have a queen bed slide out in this toy hauler. Beautiful mirror over there so you can see yourself with no issues. You even have dresser drawers and another hanging closet with TV hookups in the master bedroom. Coming to the back, y'all, you do have the TV over there, of course, but in the very back, this is where it's special. The Happy Jack bunk system. You have a queen bed up top with 2 couches that turn into beds as well. They drop down. You have a table that sits here with the very special thing behind door number 1. Check this out. Half bath, guys. Real porcelain toilet with another sink in here and a medicine cabinet. TV hookups in the toy hauler. All LEDs and everything's controlled off of an electric gear system. If you couldn't get no better at all, you do have the 10-foot porch off the back. I have it somewhat set up. You have the electric awning, it's armless, it covers it with the prep and wired for the outdoor camera. But y'all, before we go, let me show you this price. You are not gonna believe it. It's gonna blow your mind. For this 2021 29G Momentum, it starts at $63,346. Today for y'all, I'm knocking it $13,351 here at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, $49,995. For all of this toy hauler in a travel trailer, it doesn't get much better than that. I'm Grant Gould. Come see us today, 1800 Barksdale Boulevard, Bossier City, Louisiana, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. Hope y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. See you guys.